I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Fucking stoked.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So everything's ready to rock and roll.
Speed Kings coming through.
Coming through.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. We hustle, but the night. Boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. My name came up.
We're here at Speed Kings, Riverside. Got some brand new styled rims. He did for me, 5-spoke. Speed King rims, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they'll be out soon, I guess. Put them on my bagger. I'm about to go on a 10,000 mile ride around the United States. So I'm leaving next week. Just came in time. New tires, new brake pads, new crash bars going on. Hopefully it's gonna give my bike a whole new look. I'm stoked, man. Stoked to be here. Stoked to finally be doing something with Steve. I'm pumped.
Hell yeah.
See you in a minute when it's done.
I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night we know that they ride or die. I'm a know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die. CJ Ike, they ain't no longer about.